We all are aware of the popularity of the Commerce Professional course, ACCA. Till now, the prestigious qualification stands tall as the trusted choice for students who dream of building a strong career in commerce. Hi everyone. Today, in this video, we are discussing the strong reasons why you should choose ACCA for your higher studies. Let's delve deep into the reasons to find how it can help you build a strong career with it. The first and foremost reason you can consider is global recognition. ACCA is a globally recognized qualification. It is recognized in over 180 plus countries. So, if you are someone who wants to go abroad and settle there with a high-paying job, considering this qualification is the best choice. ACCA qualification helps you acquire high-paying jobs in India and even abroad. You have to clear 13 papers out of 15 to become an ACCA affiliate. Compared to other commerce professional qualifications, ACCA careers can give you decent salary packages even during your training period. When you complete your 3-year training and become an ACCA member, you can acquire jobs with industry demanded salaries, that is 8 to 12 lakhs per annum as a fresher. Program duration is another reason you can consider choosing ACCA. While you spend 5 to 6 years to complete a professional program, you can complete the ACCA program in 2 to 3 years if you follow a structured learning system. Another reason for you to choose ACCA is the accessibility to a wide range of career opportunities. There is considerable growth in the career opportunities in ACCA compared to the past years. That means companies realize the importance of ACCA professionals lately. Consulting and advisory firms, taxation, auditing, corporate finance, risk management, and finance and accounting are the fields where you can work as an ACCA professional in different roles. The most attractive thing about this qualification is that if you entered into auditing and you don't feel sound about it, you can switch your field to taxation, accounting, or any other field in the commerce industry. With the right skills and knowledge, you can land the right opportunity as well. The next reason you can consider is the exemption part. With 5 paper, 6 paper, and 9 paper exemptions, you can qualify for ACCA without appearing for the 13 papers. That way, you can crack the program without appearing for all exams. If you consider qualifications like UAECA and ICAEW from GCC or the UK after qualifying for ACCA, you will also get exempted from a certain number of papers. Flexibility is the next reason for choosing ACCA for your higher education. Compared to other commerce professional programs, ACCA does not have a group system to clear the exams. If you fail for a paper, you don't need to appear for other papers the next time you appear for the failed one. That's the coolest thing you can find about ACCA exams. Also, you can choose the paper you like to appear for each of your exams. ACCA is relatively easy to learn and has less number of papers compared to other professional qualifications. And you will get a gap between each level of exam. ACCA exams are always on demand as well. I hope these reasons were enough for you to choose ACCA for your higher studies and secure your future with a high-paying career. Don't you want to know where you can study the ACCA program with the best mentorship, experienced faculties, and an institute that you can pave your way to your dream career? Enroll at the Indian Institute of Commerce, Lakshya. We are the platinum learning providers of ACCA with the largest faculty pool and over 14 years of experience. Join us and take your next step in landing a safe future. If you have any queries regarding ACCA, feel free to reach out to us at our official number. So that's about it, and thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great day. To learn more about commerce professional courses, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.